right, finally I'm out here on Bloor West Village, Bloor Street West. Finally, during the day, because usually I come after work, or after, not work, at the end of the day and everything's closed. So finally, I'm trying just something small, cabbage roll, and today's daily soup is sauerkraut soup. We're at Janchenko's, I think that's the pronunciation of the bakery. They have beautiful baked goods. So I'm gonna probably get something else after, but this is my lunch. So sauerkraut, small for $4.50. Cabbage roll. Anyway, I left a tip, so in total with the tip it's $14. So it was $12 and change for the cabbage roll and soup. All right, so I'm gonna give it a try. Try the sauerkraut soup. Very good. I already had a sip. It's sour. It's sauerkraut. So it's yummy. I love soup. Even though it's a beautiful day for October, it's like summer weather. The soup is yum. Very good. Yum. Look how steamy hot it is. I've had some cabbage lately and they've never given the sauce, so this looks good. They have the sauce. Tomato sauce. Oh yeah. Wow, this is flavorful. Very good. Nice. Just very good cabbage roll. I haven't had a good cabbage roll in a while, so we got the rice in here. And I think they use pork. I think I have to find out what's in the cabbage roll. But take your bite. Very good. Very tasty. Okay, I went back in to get the baked goods. So I'm not going to finish the whole thing. I'm going to just show and tell and take a bite. But this lemon Danish looks amazing. Look at this. Looks like a sunshine. It looks like... Look at that. It looks like...
She's like the perfect end.
A sunset. I'm going to take a bite. Oh, I have a knife here. Maybe I'll just... Cut it some off. I thought I was going to get it later after I finish my walk along here, Bloor West, but I come back, I know they're going to be sold out, or down to very little left. So I have my live stream going on, watching me film my review here. All right, look at that. Look at all that lemon.
Oh no!
Look at all that lemon.
Too hot, they heat up.
That's amazing. Give a bite to my live stream. All right, let's take a bite. I know it's gonna be good.
Sure. Yeah, that's true.
Oh. It's lemony. Take a bite. Yum. Gotta come here to this Janchenko's bakery. So good. European comfort food, it says on the window. Well, take your bite. It's very good. Take your bite. Yum. Look at that.
No, he specifically called the chef.
I gotta show my viewers.
Yeah, and he spoke to him. He goes, see that stuff, that mayo, that alioli?
Okay.
I don't want it. I don't want it near my calamari. And it came out all over the calamari.
So then what happened? Did they make it again?
It was on a couple of pieces. The
I'm gonna
shrimp
take a
and
bite.
No. Daddy just took
so
a big
good.
serviette and
Oh my God.
he polished it. He took it all off.
Wow. Amazing. So good. not sweet. Very good. Mm. It's messy. So, come on to Bloor West Village to Janchenko's Bakery.
I get that.
Take your bite. Very good. Well, take your bite. It's very good. Back on, actually, I forgot I got the raspberry jelly donut. Look at that. I'm fighting with a bee, so it has to come. Get out! No! Alright. The bee. Another bee. First. Oh! Take two. Bug almost went up my nose. Oh my gosh. Hopefully it didn't go up my nose. I do not want to go to the emergency. Alright. Okay, that's it. Oh, that was a ladybug. I'm getting like, I'm gonna have a few bloopers for this review. I'm gonna put it away so the bee doesn't get to it. I'm gonna have to ask